So living off-grid lifestyle, there's a lot of things you have to get done yourself. It's not that you have to, it's part of it. You learn how to get it done yourself. I don't have a shooting video for you today, but today I'm gonna go over what I do when I am trying to get rid of a tree that is in my way. I have cut one already a couple days ago, and today I'm gonna show you how I do cut the tree off-grid style. So with that being said, I have this chainsaw that I have bought a couple years ago or so. I used to use it a lot when we go camping, cut tree for firewood. It is an absolutely version of a silencer because it is so silent you can't really hear it. Just tiny, teeny little bit. You'll see in the video. So I will go ahead and cut the tree, and also living here, you know, I have a fenced in land, so I will tie a rope to the tree and be able to try really to be able to put it the opposite way of the fence and cut some firewood and just have fun with the whole process. Again, that's the beauty of living off grid. You get to do things that you never thought you could do. All right, with that being said, let's cut a tree. All right, so as you can see, I don't know if you can see it in the video, but there's the fence right behind me. It's really close. So to be able to cut the tree and not have it fall over that fence, so I'm gonna be cutting it up this way, down this way, make a good chunk, and be able to pull the tree this way. So to be able to have it fall this way, I have to make a cut both sides up and down from here. And we'll see how it goes. As you see that V angle right here? I'm gonna cut a little bit more in the back. But this is a dead tree, so I have to be careful. It might fall anytime, so I have to be cautious how far I go before I pull it. So now that I got my V cut, I have to hit this wedgie out, maybe a couple hard hit, and see how much loose that will make it. There it is. Okay, trees down. Now I have my work cut out for me. I need to get busy and cut some firewood. Believe it or not, it does really get cold here in Florida. Really, really cold. So with that being said, I gotta get to work. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate you. See you next time.